Today we are at the ITWeb Security Summit at Sandton Convention Centre, and as BCX we are very proud to host this event. And when we have industry colleagues come and impart some knowledge, anecdotal experience that they've had, we take that back with us. It was quite interesting to see what's happening with regards to artificial intelligence. Dan presented really well, and when we present around HCI, it's very interesting to see how it is that HCI, in the context of people repatriating from the cloud, going on-prem, can actually now add value to how it is that they think about cloud security.
We're delighted to have the opportunity to meet so many people in the region. There's so much entrepreneurial spirit. People are enthusiastic about building what comes next. As I speak to a lot of clients and maybe customers that are already using our service, and indeed in our talk this morning, it was around just the complexity of the environment that we see today. The fact that we've got so many different point solutions trying to deal with each type of attack. And the reality is that because we have all these different point solutions to try and build a security architecture, that's really placing a burden on the IT teams, on the security teams. So therefore, one of the things we are definitely seeing is this consolidation towards trying to do more with less.
Technology such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing as an example, have great use case in terms of how we apply them so that companies can gain economically. Those technologies are really gonna be at the forefront of protecting the innovations that come, de-risking some of the abilities that threat actors have to exploit vulnerabilities.
For me, it's about meeting with our peers, meeting with customers, meeting with partners, really just understanding what they're seeing in the market. Also just talking around how we do it and how we do it a little bit differently is really important for us. We Arctic Wolf, right? But we talk around working together as a pack to make sure that we're building efficiency into the way we look at security. So that's the biggest thing for me, is just making sure that we're working together for the greater good.
I think customers actually don't know that they've been compromised or they've been held ransom. A lot of customers only find out once they've been compromised or they end up in the media, and giving them that alert and visibility or the tool sets or the protection is the biggest success.
So cyber warfare is quite interesting. It could be company to company, it could be country to country, it could be individual to multiple, but all the vendors that are present today, they all have a certain area of cyber warfare protection that they can actually go after and protect.
So being here is great. It's good to see people from the industry, where they are, all the new technologies and what everyone's up to, understand our business but also our competitors. And then always love listening to Anna, so she's a big draw card, and I look forward to listening to Anna talk on her cyber awareness platforms this year.
I think what is great about this event is that it is specifically focused on cybersecurity. I mean, information technology as a whole is large and broad, and it's important to have a focus specifically on the needs of cybersecurity and to engage with local stakeholders to understand what is their actual on-the-ground experiences, and to have a practical view of how we actually, take on those challenges and resolve them.